Ibabahagi ko ngayon ang aking top picks ng the latest models mula sa top brands, para matulungan kang makahanap ng the best laptop base sa iyong pangangailangan at budget.
This laptops is worth buying ngayong taong 2021. Welcome to Brain Friz.
Alam niya, alam mo rin. For today's kaalaman, ibabahagi ko sa inyo Team Brain ang mga laptops na best bilhin ngayong 2021. At siguradong pasok sa iyong needs and budget. Kung gusto mo ng best laptop of 2021, then tutulungan kita. Ang video na ito ay naglalaman ng lahat ng top laptops na kayang mong mabili right now, including, of course, the much-lauded Dell XPS 15, and which cover a wide range of budgets. Sa video na ito, we have the best gaming laptops, brilliant Chromebooks, high-end ultrabooks and marami pang iba. No matter what kind of device you're after, ang aming best laptops list will have the perfect pick para sa iyong day budget at pangangailangan. Ang bagong Apple MacBook Air M1 2020 ay hindi lamang the best laptop Apple na nalikha, pero ito ay the best laptop worth $8 billion right now. Salamat sa revolutionary ARM-based Apple M1 chip that powers the new MacBook Air, Apple has ditched Intel for these new laptops. This is a stunning achievement, a thin and light laptop that offers great performance, kahit na naka 4K video editing, pero panalo pa din sa incredible battery life. Kahit na Windows laptops user ka before, the MacBook Air M1 2020 is well worth getting and making the jump to Macos. Yes, it really is that good. The Dell XPS 15 ticks pretty much every box when pagdating sa kung ano ang gusto natin sa laptop. The end result is that the Dell XPS 15 2020 is about as close to perfect as a laptop can get. It's got some of the latest and best mobile tech from Intel, at mayroong napakagandang GPU.
Dahilan upang magkaroon tayo ng in-depth images at perfect para sa video editing software, at syempre sa spot of light gaming. It also features one of the finest designs na namikita natin sa laptop, and is arguably the most stylish Windows 10 laptop on the market right now. The HP Spectre X360 has been one of the best laptops for years hanggang ngayong 2021. Pagdating sa 11th generation Intel Core processors, which offer a decent performance boost, and feature better integrated Intel Iris Xe graphics, the HP Spectre X360 2021 is better than ever. Mayroon itong maangas na features tulad ng impeccable 2-in-1 design and pristine gem-cut chassis that these laptops are known for, meaning that the HP Spectre X360 2021 is one of the best-looking 2-in-1 laptops ever made. At pagdating sa build quality, it's rivaled only by the excellent MacBook Air M1 2020, which is at the top of this best laptop guide. The Dell XPS 13 2020 is not only a gorgeous piece of kit, at simple para sa ating expectations, mayroon itong excellent performance, a stunning display and long battery life. Much like its predecessor, medyo magastos lang na investment, but that is barely reason enough for us to discourage ultrabook fans. This is among the best laptops of 2021, and it's worth every penny. Ito ang unang beses na napasama sa Best Laptop from LG's Gram Laptops, at nakilala for their lightweight designs, comes with a 16-inch screen. Ibig sabihin, if the 14-inch model at napakaliit, the 17-inch model is napakalaki naman. You may find the new LG Gram 16 na sakto lamang. It once again features an incredibly light design, and comes with some of the best mobile tech in the world. It's one of the best laptops na magandang gamitin at dalhin sa school at work din, kaya lamang ay mahal ito, and the design is plain. Beyond the Acer Swift 3, modest exterior, makakita ka ng excellent laptop na may mahabang power para sa iyong study or sa trabaho. The Swift 3, huwag malilito with the Switch. Try another laptop from Acer, ay murang laptop, however, that plain chassis is all aluminum and packed with beefy components. Pagdating sa performance, kahit mura ay malapit ang kalidad nito sa more expensive Microsoft Surface.
laptop.
Its display is a little lower raised but the two are otherwise strikingly similar other than the price. Habang medyo malungkot tayo sa maliit na 15-inch MacBook Pro, I welcome natin MacBook Pro 16-inch. Ito ay thin at magaan and sleek as ever, hindi mo aakalain na this was a 16-inch behemoth. Yet you're getting that extra real estate on that stunning display, at syempre, sa latest and greatest components behind it. This is, without a doubt, the best MacBook for content creators, designers and other creative professionals. With amazing and loud speakers and a much better keyboard to boot. The Asus Zephyrus G14 is not perfect, missing a webcam and a Thunderbolt 3 port.
This is all for now. Please tell me your opinion about this news. Comment down below. Also, if you want to be updated on my next video with regards technology trends and tutorials, click the notification bell all button. Thank you.